Today I will show you how to make this very easy and very funky granny square bed slippers. These are really easy and you can make these in less than 1 hour. Hello, I'm Shabari from hookedinloops.com. I make crochet and other crafts tutorials in my channel. So please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Don't forget to like, share and comment. So let's begin. I have used a 4-ply acrylic yarn and a crochet hook of size 3mm. At first, I am making the magic circle. You will get the basic crochet tutorials playlist in my channel, so check it out. After making the magic circle, we will do a chain 3. This chain 3 is the first double crochet stitch of this round. Then we will do 2 double crochet stitches in the magic circle. So the first chain 3 and these 2 double crochet stitches make the first 3 double crochet stitches of this round. After that, we will do a chain 2 for the corner space, and then we will do 3 double crochet stitches in the magic circle. Followed by a chain 2. So this is the pattern. We will do 3 double crochets followed by chain 2 for 2 more times. And at the end, after the last chain 2, we will complete this round with a slip stitch in the third chain of the starting chain 3 of this round, followed by a chain 1, and we will simply cut the yarn. So the first round is completed. We will now begin the second round. I have done a color change, so we will do a slip knot with a different colored yarn and insert the hook in it. We will slip stitch in any chain 2 space of the previous round, followed by a chain 3. This is the first double crochet stitch of this round. Then in the same chain 2 space, we will be doing 2 more double crochet stitches. So the first chain 3 and the next 2 double crochet stitches make the first 3 double crochet stitches of this round. After that, we will be doing a chain 2. And then in the same chain 2 space, we will be doing 3 double crochet stitches, followed by chain 1. This is the pattern. We will repeat the same pattern in all the chain 2 spaces of this round. So 3 double crochets followed by chain 2 and 3 double crochets followed by chain 1 in the next chain 2 space, and we will repeat this pattern throughout this round. At the end, after the last chain 1, we will do a slip stitch in the third chain of the starting chain 3 of this round, followed by a chain 1, and we will just cut the yarn. So second round is also completed. We will begin the third round now. So in any chain 1 space of the previous round, we will do a slip stitch followed by a chain 3. This is the first double crochet stitch of this round. Then in the same chain 1 space, we will be doing 2 more double crochet stitches. So 3 double crochet stitches in this chain 1 space. After that, we will do a chain 1. Then in the next chain 2 space, which is the corner chain 2 space, we will be doing 3 double crochet stitches, followed by chain 2 and 3 double crochet stitches in the same chain 2 space. Followed by chain 1. Okay, now in the next chain 1 space also we will do 3 double crochet stitches. Followed by chain 1, and this is the pattern, that is in the chain 1 spaces we will be doing 3 double crochet stitches followed by chain 1, and chain 2 spaces we will be doing 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets, and then chain 1, and we will repeat this throughout this round. And at the end of this round we will simply do a slip stitch in the third chain of the starting chain 3 of this round, followed by a chain 1, and cut the yarn. With this, our granny square is completed. This pattern is for a smaller sized slipper. However, if you want a bigger sized slipper, then increase the round of the granny square. Now the diagonal length of the granny square multiplied by 2 will give the size of your feet more or less. So make the granny square accordingly. I have made a total of 7 granny squares and I will show you how to join them to make a slipper. Take 2 granny squares and place them such that their front sides are facing each other. And we will be joining 2 sides of the granny squares using slip stitches. So take the 2 granny squares. The front sides of the granny squares will be facing each other. Start from right side of your work. Insert your hook in the chain 2 spaces of both the granny squares and just do a slip stitch, followed by a chain 1 to secure the slip stitch, and then we have got 3 double crochet stitches following the chain 2 space. So insert your hook in the second loop of the double crochet stitches of both the granny squares, and then we will just do slip stitches in them. So 3 slip stitches for the 3 double crochet stitches. And then we have again got the chain 1 space, and there we will do a slip stitch. In the next 3 double crochet stitches, again slip stitches in the second loop of the stitches in this manner. Isn't this easy? Then again a slip stitch in the chain 1 space. We will do 3 slip stitches in each of the following 3 double crochet stitches. And then in the chain 2 space we will do a slip stitch. So one side of the granny squares have been joined. We will be joining the second side also in the same manner. Then we will just complete it with a chain 1. Okay, so the 2 granny squares have been joined. So now do the stitches as I am showing you using my fingers, using slip stitches. Okay, isn't this easy? I hope it was easy for you to follow the stitches. And after you have completed all the stitches, simply do a chain 1 and cut the yarn. And our slipper is now ready. Now the next step is doing the borders. However, this is not compulsory. Insert your hook in any chain 2 space at the back side of your slipper and just do a slip stitch there. Followed by chain 2. We will not consider this as any stitch. Then in each of the following stitches we will be doing 1 half double crochet stitch. We will do 1 half double crochet in the chain 1 spaces also. So we will repeat this pattern, that is 1 half double crochet in each of the stitches and the chain 1 spaces. However, when you have reached the chain 2 space, you will find 3 chain 2 spaces adjacent to each other. We will do half double crochet 3 together in each of the chain 2 space in this manner. Got it? And then we will repeat the pattern of doing 1 half double crochet in each of the stitches and the chain 1 spaces. And again we have got 3 adjacent chain 2 spaces. And there we will do half double crochet 3 together in them, like this. And then again repeat the pattern of 1 half double crochet in each of the stitches and chain 1 spaces, and in the 3 adjacent chain 2 spaces we will do half double crochet 3 together and repeat the same pattern. Okay, and when you have reached the back side, you will see 2 chain 2 spaces adjacent to each other and the joining stitch. So we will do half double crochet 3 together in the chain 2 spaces and the joining stitch, and at the end we will slip stitch in the first chain 2 gap followed by chain 1 and cut the yarn. And our slipper is ready. Just weave in the loose ends of the slipper and it is ready to be used. I hope you liked this tutorial and it was easy for you to follow. If you liked this tutorial and found this helpful, then please hit the like button. Comment in the comment section for any queries. I will answer all your queries. Also mention if you want to see any other kind of video. I will just love to make those for you. Check out the free written pattern in my website. It will be available soon. Thank you and have a great day.